Hi, we're here from Seychelles today with Conor from the Residion. He is our exosome expert, and we just happened to have him in the office today, and we wanted to get him on video to talk about exosomes as the expert. So we thought we'd bring you a couple questions that our patients have asked us.
Great.
And if you want to, do you want to just kind of tell people a little bit about exosomes and what they are?
Yeah, absolutely. So exosomes are actually a stem cell derivative. So they're communicative vessels that all of our cells produce that help transmit data and supplies. So there's a number of different applications for exosomes, but here at Seychelles, we're primarily using exosomes for facial rejuvenation, hair restoration, and also used for wound healing after ablative procedures.
That's great. So how long has exosomes actually been on the market?
That's a good question. So I always hesitate to say that it's a new science because it's existed for a long time overseas before they launched here in the States. So we've really started our launch here around 2018 is when we saw a big push. And yeah, it's been like a rocket ship here. It's been very exciting.
Yeah, we've had amazing results. I mean, people just absolutely love it.
They do.
Yeah, and their faces look so good for so long. Definitely.
Yes. A big question that my patients ask is what's the difference between PRP and exosomes?
Okay, that's a good question because a lot of patients out there are familiar with the PRP procedure. It's very popular and a great procedure. So whenever you break it down, in PRP, we have about 7 to 10 different types of growth factors, which is great. You can do a lot of amazing things with that. With these exosomes, we have over 100 different types of growth factors. So just exponentially, it's better healing, better results whenever it comes to skin rejuvenation or hair restoration.
And you don't have to draw blood.
Exactly, no blood draw. Yes.
So if you're afraid of needles, you don't have to worry about it.
Yes, exactly.
And one question we get a lot is, what is the difference between exosomes and stem cells?
It's a good question. Okay. So exosomes are actually a stem cell derivative. Okay. So exosomes are a nanoparticle that are secreted by stem cells. So exosomes are acellular, which means they don't carry genetic coding, as opposed to stem cells that do. So because they're acellular, that makes them extremely safe. So they can't transmit disease. There's no risk of allergic reaction. So it's a very safe science to be working with, especially within the aesthetic space.
Right. And really, there's no side effects to it at all or reactions or anything.
So very safe to use for all the applications we discussed. Absolutely.
And the downtime is a lot less, I've found, with the exosomes than the PRP.
It really is.
Yes.
It really is.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
So do you have anything else to add?
So, come out to Seychelles. They're the best place in the Woodlands to get this done. Like I said, a lot of different applications for the exosomes. They're using it in conjunction with their microneedling to enhance the results, using it for hair restoration, and then also post-fractura, which I believe we're going to be doing a treatment a little later with Alex. So, yeah, come out to Seychelles and they'll take care of you.
All right. Thank you.